Are you struggling with skin issues like acne, dryness, or uneven tone? Here are the 5 best African black soaps I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, She Moisture Bar Soap for Troubled Skin. First up is the She Moisture Bar Soap for Troubled Skin. At just $5.98, this soap really caught my eye because of its promise to cleanse and moisturize simultaneously. If you're looking for a dependable soap that can tackle dry and troubled skin, this is worth a serious look. This soap is crafted with a blend of palm and plantain peel ash, which means it's not just any soap. It's a time-tested formula that helps balance oily skin while nourishing dry areas. The fair trade shea butter is a standout here, as it hydrates your skin while the soap gently exfoliates. This matters because many soaps can dry out your skin, but this one's designed to leave you feeling soft and smooth instead. With over 7,000 units sold just last month, it's clearly popular among users who are tired of harsh cleansers. Now, some users mentioned that the scent might not be for everyone, as it has a distinct earthy aroma. Here's the thing though, if you care more about results than fragrance, this soap still delivers on its promises. It's perfect for those who want to address multiple skin concerns without sacrificing moisture. This is perfect for you if you have troubled skin and need a product that balances moisture and cleansing. Skip this one if you're sensitive to scents, as the fragrance might be a deal breaker. With so much value for the price, you can't go wrong here. Now, if the scent issue concerned you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, She Moisture African Black Soap Body Wash. Next up is the She Moisture African Black Soap Body Wash, retailing at $11.99. This caught my attention because it claims to provide 24-hour visible moisture, which sounds like a dream come true if you're dealing with dry skin. What's great about this body wash is that it cleanses while hydrating your skin, thanks to its blend of natural ingredients, including shea butter and African black soap. This combo not only helps to cleanse away impurities, but also soothes and nourishes your skin at the same time. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You won't have that tight, dry feeling after your shower, making this an excellent option for daily use. With over 4,000 sold recently, it's clearly a go-to for those looking for a gentle yet effective wash. However, some users have noted that it doesn't lather as much as they'd like. Here's the thing, that's actually a good sign in natural products. Less lather usually means fewer harsh chemicals. If you're someone who values natural ingredients over suds, this may still be your go-to. This is perfect for you if you want a body wash that cleans and hydrates without irritation. Skip this one if you prefer a strong lather, as this might not give you that experience. Given the quality and results, it's worth the money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a pure, raw experience. Product number 3, our Earth Secrets Raw African Black Soap. Coming in at $12.99, our Earth Secrets Raw African Black Soap is a solid choice for anyone looking for a pure natural product. What really caught my eye is that this is 100% raw, with no added fragrances or colors. This soap is made from palm kernel oil, coconut oil, and cocoa pod ash, which means it's packed with nutrients that can help your skin thrive. It's particularly beneficial for dry and sensitive skin, making it ideal if you're prone to irritation or just want something gentle. The fact that it's unscented is a huge plus for those who are sensitive to fragrances. This matters because it allows all skin types to benefit from its natural properties without added irritants. With 2,000 sold recently, it's obviously appealing to many. That said, some users mentioned difficulty in lathering it up. Now I'll be real with you, if you're used to commercial soaps, this might take some getting used to. But if you're looking for something that will nourish your skin deeply, the trade-off is worth it. This is perfect for you if you prioritize natural ingredients and want a product that's gentle on sensitive skin. Skip this one if you prefer a foamy wash, as it might not meet your expectations in that department. Considering the purity of its ingredients, it's a solid investment for your skincare routine. Now, if you want something that's specifically made for dry skin but still has a luxurious feel, the next one is just what you need. Product number 4, Era of Nature Best Raw Organic African Black Soap. Next is the Era of Nature Best Raw Organic African Black Soap, priced at $9.95. What stood out to me is its promise of pure organic ingredients, which is a big selling point for many, including myself. This soap is handmade according to African tradition and is enriched with unrefined shea butter. This means it's not only a great cleanser but also works as a moisturizer, leaving your skin feeling soft and rejuvenated. This is particularly important if you're looking to combat signs of aging or damaged skin, because the vitamins and minerals in this soap help to restore your skin's natural glow. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free, making it a great option for eco-conscious folks. With over 1,000 sold recently, it seems to be resonating with many. Now, some people noted that it can feel gritty due to its natural components. Here's the thing though, that texture indicates it's packed with real ingredients that benefit your skin. If you're okay with a little texture, the results can be impressive. This is perfect for you if you want a soap that provides deep hydration and gentle exfoliation. Skip this one if you have extremely sensitive skin, as the texture might be too much. Given its rich ingredients, it's a worthwhile addition to any skincare regimen. Finally, if you want something that comes in a larger package and focuses on sensitive skin, the last product might be just right for you. Product number 5, Shea Moisture Bar Soap 4 Count. Last but not least, we have the Shea Moisture Bar Soap 4 Count, priced at $21.53. This option caught my attention because it offers a bulk buy, which is great if you know you're going to love it. This set is designed specifically for melanin-rich skin, and it includes a blend of African black soap, oats, aloe, and vitamin E. This means it not only cleans, but also soothes and nourishes your skin throughout the day. The 24-hour moisture claim really stands out, especially for those battling dry skin. Plus, the fact that it contains 92% naturally derived ingredients is a win for anyone looking to avoid harsh chemicals. This product has over 1,000 sales in a short time, which speaks volumes about its popularity. However, some users felt it was a bit pricey for a bar soap. Here's my perspective. If you often struggle with skin issues, investing in quality products can actually save you money in the long run by reducing the need for additional treatments. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, multi-use soap that nourishes sensitive skin. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, as it may feel like a splurge. For the value and effectiveness, it's definitely worth considering. Alright, so we've covered some fantastic options today. To quickly compare them, Shea Moisture's bar soap is great for troubled skin, the body wash offers moisture, our Earth Secrets is pure and unscented, Era of Nature is organic and moisturizing, and Shea Moisture's bulk option is perfect for sensitive skin. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Shea Moisture bar soap for troubled skin because it balances cleansing and moisturizing beautifully. Avoid the Shea Moisture 4 Count if you're looking for something budget-friendly, as it's a bit pricier. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.